Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, this is Imani and she is making the videos for quite some time now. And if you have not subscribed to her channel, please do it because she really is trying her level best to put a vlog once a week for now because she's quite caught up in all her tasks and stuff, but still she manages to put a vlog every Sunday without missing it. So yeah. Also, and a few of you who has been watching my videos for quite some time now, yeah, I'm having a best time of my entire 1 year. I was so lonely and so much stressed about the same thing again and again, and suddenly my sister is here and she is now also going because it's already been 3 to 4 weeks that she's here now, and yeah, she will be going in a week or so. And yeah, so again, I hope not the same scenario over and over again. I am going to give my best. I have like a 6 month, not 6 months really. I have like a 5 month time frame in which I have made a list of things that I have to do, and I am so excited. So first thing first, I am I don't know, I started to feel like a mother because I am every time with surrounded with people now, and literally Raghav is all time in my lap, and what else could be better than this? So I'm also like making very less videos. Like my phone screen or phone time has gone to like from 5, it has gone to like 1.5, so you can get the gist of what I'm doing the entire day. And yeah, also I've had meetings in the past few days because we had to integrate some of the APIs in our website of Himtaj. So we also had that. Talking about the next thing that I'm planning on doing is, yeah, I'm very excited for the trip. We are going for a trip to Sikkim. I am going to go there after 7 years, but I don't mind. I will not mind at all if I'm going to the place which I love twice, because it's always different feeling, like going before and going after. Like the time frame is like 7 years, so everything will be so changed. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm excited to see what all changes we had. And Siliguri, Kurseong, Darjeeling, Sikkim, it all gives me the vibe of my, you know, hostel, because the entire 12 years to 13 years that I've stayed out there, not 12 years, yeah, 13 to 14 years, like I've stayed there, and it kind of has a uh, very much place in my heart. These places have a very cute corner in my, it has the memory all set up in my heart and which will be never forgotten. And the time that I am going to visit again, it makes me feel so already overwhelmed. So yeah, the journey is going to start from tomorrow, and that is on a Monday. And it cannot feel it cannot be better than this. Like we were planning a set for Kerala, then suddenly it would be so hot because we are experiencing literally 42 degrees here, and 40 to 42, and sometimes it's like even less because of the rain, but generally it's very hot. I had like no option but to go to Sikkim. Jiju has not traveled Sikkim, so I think it'll be great for us to make him, roam the places, which feels very great. And yeah, my packing is kind of done, and this Shiva still has to pack. So I don't know. Tomorrow we're leaving, and For the fact, I don't know how this is gonna be because she is always telling that I'm always ready, but she's not packed yet. Let's see how it goes with her. And moreover, she has to pack like for Raghav too. I definitely have to help her out, but for now she's so chill. She's gonna do it in the end moment. But I am not like that. I kind of do it at the end moment when it feels like okay, end moment will be right for me. But sometimes it's always to be ahead of time so that you don't rush out things and you don't have that pressure in your head that okay, I gotta do it fast. So I am done with the packing. I'm so excited. I just have to do all my gadget packing now, and yeah, that's it. And it's like we plan out so much things, and we'll make like this kind of video, that kind of video, and stuff like that. But when we go there and when things are like at the moment happening, you just want to sit down and enjoy the view, and you're so overwhelmed but thought that you're there in Sikkim and just be there and no phone, nothing like that kind of feeling. But this time we planned out a lot of videos, and I hope it executes because I really wanted to execute. It's kind of I planned everything, so I don't know, like I have to get it done no matter what. If I have to sacrifice the entire journey or some parts of it, I will, but I have to come up with a great video this time. Also, we have Raghav in the trip, and last time that we had gone with Raghav to Himachal, it was phenomenal. He was so easygoing, baby. Like we had at one point when we had gone to rafting, we had left him with the driver, and he stayed, and it was kind of so good. And when he saw us, he was like, okay, you guys are back now. I'm going to come to you. So it was very cool and chill and very easy. But this time is going to be tough because of obviously he's grown up and like he's like 1.5, 1.1 year, and he kind of understands who is the mother and I have to be with who is the bad guy. And they kind of feel they want to feel safe around the people whom they know, and they will never go to some unknown people. So that is a big challenge for us this time, but never mind, we will manage somehow because we have always been doing. And yeah, I'm excited. I'll maybe I'll put the vlog every day because this time I don't want to keep it for pending, and I don't want to keep it for the next week or something like that. I'll just put it. God bless me so much. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very grateful for people who included me in this trip. Yeah, if you guys have someone who includes you in the trip that they're going to, be thankful to them and be grateful to them because very few people get this chance. And if you're getting the chance, don't miss out because thank me later. Yeah, so that's that. Also, I've been reading Substack like on binge, you can say. Like I don't know Instagram is what or what happens there. Like I'm so into Substack now. I'm just reading articles and finding people who are of my type, and soon I'll be might also start writing on there. Right now I'm just finding my niche and everything. And it's not about finding niche. Once you are starting off, start with everything that you know and see what people are reacting and how people are reacting to one of the article or any of the article that you have posted. Accordingly, you judge like what kind of things you should write, and then start the writing. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to write about everything and whatever comes to my mind, be it whatever, be it science, be it nutrition, be it anything related to health, be it finance, be it whatever, because I'm looking forward to health, finance, and uh, personal growth or awareness. So three things that I'm going to be starting off with. Life gets so much beautiful when you be grateful and when you thank for every little things or details that you have in your life. Just be happy, and yeah, that's it. Life is so short that it can like vanish anytime. So enjoy, be thankful, be loving, be kind, be caring. Everything that makes a human happy, everything that makes a creature happy, do everything. And most importantly, travel, because it's the most beautiful feeling. Fight, just go if you're getting a chance. Just go, because this time will never come back, and who knows. So just travel if you're getting a chance. I'm very thankful. So my garden is like glowing because it was so small when I got this plant. Like this plant, it is so small. Now it's going to reach the pillar, like right out there, and it makes you feel so good. No, like suddenly they were so small. You won't believe the lemongrass. I'll tell you this one. This lemongrass, it was almost dried, and literally mom told me like throw it, it's dead and all, but I was like no, there's some green leaf and I'm sure it's gonna grow, and it's so big now. I don't feel like cutting it and drinking it. I just keep it because sometimes you just pluck it, smash it, smell it, and it's like the best feeling ever. So, and likewise, like there are so many plants that have grown, it just feels like a small garden, and it gives me the happiness that I was craving for. Like building your own small garden, your own safe place is so much, like a pleasure. So if you are not doing it, and if you have an empty space, invest some money doing it, because it's gonna give you a kind of therapy that you didn't ask for. I'm gonna play with Raghav. I miss him so much. He's gonna go in a week, and I think I'll be the one crying the most. But life goes on. You have to detach, you have to let go, you have to, look to yourself, and everything should change. The universe is a big piece of changing land. So if it does not have the change, means it's not moving. So it's okay to change, and it's okay to move and let go of things. So yeah. Bye. See you in some time. You're going to Sikkim. How are you feeling, Raghav? Second trip of the year. Raghav, कैसा लग रहा है? कैसा लग रहा है? बोलो कुछ. ऐसे बने अर्ज किया है हमने भी लिखा कुछ तेरे बारे में है ऐसे तो लगे कि गुलाब है तेरे ऐसे. Don't wanna hide the truth, don't wanna shelter you, but with the base inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breathe, we still are made of grit. So we're going for a walk, you guys. We had to come out. People were like, "No, don't go. Why are you going so late?" And all that. But we're here, going. Hey, there's a way here. Come, let's go. Like it is rained so much that कीचड़ कीचड़ हो गया है सब जगह. So let's go. ये है basically कीचड़. So this is the बहुत अच्छा बारिश हुआ है, पर इसका दूध बहुत गाढ़ा होता है, पता है? वही से I think they are in the fighting mode. What? So guys, how are you guys feeling? So mangoes, all mangoes in there. So guys, ये था हमारा evening walk. हमने बहुत कुछ देखा. Shiva has come literally after 2 years, and she's having all the nostalgia. We used to do yoga at our plot, and मज़ा आ जाता था यार ना. सुबह सुबह so much of energy, so much of, I don't know कहाँ चले गए वो दिन. But yeah, that's life. Change happens, and that's the way you change. This is our the situation going on here. So Nishi's left for packing. मैंने तो कर लिया था. Ah! और किसी दे रहा क्या? वर्षी को किसी दे रहा? एक बार हंस के दिखा. It's final and I'm looking so tired. I packed everything. I am just done. I'm going to sleep. It's 11 o'clock and I'm sweating.